Ammi, today, the 2nd of July, marks your 70th birthday. Except that unfortunately, you don't get to celebrate it with us here on earth. But you shall always, always live on in my heart, in my life, in my soul, in myself. And I shall keep you preserved in the deepest recesses of my heart as the most loving, the most selfless, and the most extraordinary mother that has ever walked the planet. I do sorely and terribly miss you each day, each moment, and I will to infinity and beyond. I am eternally and extremely grateful to you for everything, but more for being the true definition of what a perfect mother should be. Life will never be the same without you. Never, yet it comforts me to know that one day we shall meet again, inshallah. May the Rahman and the Rahim, the most gracious and the most merciful, surround you with His endless peace, His endless mercy, and every blessing that He has reserved for the afterlife. Happy birthday, Ammi. Ever loving yours, Gudiya.